Hi guys, welcome back to Step Up Lives. This video, how to pick the best resume format at every stage of your career. If you're a fresher, if you're an experienced one, if you're looking for a job change, we'll tell you everything. Novo Resume is a great tool where you can build your resume templates very easily. Find the link in the description. We've also created a playlist, and this video is part of that playlist. To check out all the videos, link is there in the description, talking about interviews and resume building. Let's quickly get on to the fact, what are the resumes that will help you at each and every stage. If you're new to the channel, subscribe with the bell icon. If you're old, like the video and comment your experiences using this template, or you have another thoughts. Let's quickly get on to the first format. That's the reverse chronology resume format. Most importantly, this could be an ideal for person who has a lot of experience, because they can put down the recent experiences and the previous ones one by one. Next resume that you will find is the functional skills resume format. If you lack some experience because you're a student or a recent graduate, this will help you actually showcase your skills and make yourself better positioned. And finally, we look at a combination format that is for someone who's there somewhere in between and with a diverse skill set. We'll show you each and every template, how to find it, how to use it. Everything will be guided in this video. Watch it till the end. Let's quickly go on to the first format, the reverse chronology format. If you look at clearly, the reverse chronology is as simple as that. The earliest job, starting with what you are doing, you put it on the left hand side with key action points, and then follow up with another job. Put your key skills on the right hand side section of this template. This template, I will tell you, is freely available on Novo Resume. You don't have to worry that you have to pay for it or you will get a watermark. It's a very simple and structured way of building a resume. They will help you fill each and every section. Let's quickly move on. What are the sections that you could fill in terms of languages, certificates, marketing skills, and maybe your education at the end, because this is what we discussed. This is for someone who has a lot of experience and now education does not form so much prominence. Let's quickly move on to the next category of resume layouts that could help you. Let's go down. Another section that you should be looking at, that whenever you are designing your resume, please try to have simplicity. One page length, clear sectional headings, ample white space, easy to read, and pick the size font common to all, maybe 11 or 12, or for the sections 14 and 16. Always save your resume as a PDF, because normally a lot of people make that mistake that they don't save it as a PDF and later it goes to 2-3 pages and creates a lot of issues. Let's quickly go on to some of the templates that I can showcase to you as a traditional and a creative form. Let's zoom in. So this is a format that you can clearly see the amount of impact that would make if you choose the format in this form. Colors as well as bulleted points as fonts that you can see as a comparison. An image gives a professional impact to this resume. You could clearly make a decision very easily with the format or the template that you should use while you are making your resume. Very simple way. Go to Novo Resume, click on the templates, give a little bit of questions, answer them whether you have experience or not, and they will help you also select a template. Very simple way. Try to get into the details of it one by one and you will find the best template for yourself. Clearly no comparison when I am looking at it. Now, most important thing, what are the steps? What are the informations once you have selected the resume template? For example, a creative one or the one that I showed you in reverse chronology. What are things are to be filled? We will share in another video, because we want to make videos which are shorter so that you can consume the information, what is relevant, and move on to the next one. Look at the description, you'll find the playlist, and the next chapter would be that we will create your resume now with all the details, what to fill, what not to fill. Do subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and bye bye.